Hello and welcome, viewers. Thank you for joining us today as we explore what's new with Panda laser marking. Before we get started, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our future developments. With that out of the way, let's get started. Now, many of you may be asking yourselves, what is a laser marker? So allow me to briefly explain. The Panda laser marking system is an industry-leading and award-winning technology used by manufacturers to serialize products. Moreover, it's a comprehensive system that will physically etch serialization data such as barcodes or human-readable text directly onto a product. Beyond just the capabilities of the laser itself, what really makes Panda so critical to the manufacturing process is its ability to integrate with an MES to not only create product IDs, but also to track them throughout assembly. Looking back at the machine now, we see that it's made up of three main components. The first being the laser-compliant work cell, the second being the edge carry conveyor running through the center of the machine, and third, and most important, the laser head. When products are carried into the machine, they're clamped in place on the conveyor and presented to the laser for marking. The laser then travels to pre-programmed locations taught through the software to complete the process. When it's finished, an output file can be sent to the MES for validation. Now let's have a closer look. And now that we know what those processes look like, let's talk new features. First, the exterior design. From our view, we can see that Panda now has a considerably smaller footprint than its previous generations. In tandem with that, it also features a sleeker, more modern look, which is guaranteed to enhance the show quality of your production floor. And now for the most exciting part. PROMATION is proud to be offering ultraviolet lasers which will bridge the gap between CO2 and fiber marking capabilities. The purple light that's emitted from the laser head is suitable for marking a wide variety of materials ranging from silicone to fiberglass and even most metals. This truly is a huge leap forward for us. Let's take a look. Well, folks, that concludes the video for today. Thank you all so very much for your time and attention. For more information about this technology or how PROMATION may be able to serve you, please reach out with us via any of the contact methods found in the description of this video. Thanks, and as always, remember to go pro today.